Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Firstly, I'll address the barnet. I decided summer is officially over and it's spooky season. So yeah, this happened last night and I feel like it was a very good decision on my part. And there's not normally something I can say when I do hair things, but I'm very happy. I also cut like 4 inches off it. I want it shorter, but I'm going to see if I can find someone. I don't dare go any shorter on my own, but I'm gonna try and get it a bit shorter. Anyway, yeah, welcome. And I think this is declutter number 8. I think it's number 8 or number 9. I'll put it on the screen and in the title. But this is the one I've been dreading. This is my bedroom. Now, if you are someone who is judgy, this is not the channel for you. Just really isn't. We're not judgy here. We know life is busy, people have kids. Some people just don't fucking like tidying. I don't like tidying. I like organising. I don't like general day-to-day tidying. It's just not my favourite thing. So yeah, if you're judgy, click off. Just go watch something that will make your soul happy, because this probably won't, because being angry never makes anyone's soul happy. Yeah, this is mine and Ben's bedroom. I don't really know what to say. It's a lot. There's a lot. So we're just going to jump in. If you're enjoying this series, please do give this one a big thumbs up. I would absolutely love it if you subscribed. I'm getting so close to 10,000 subscribers. I've got a massive box. Look, I've got a massive box up there of just giveaway presents that need to be won. They need to be won. So I need to get to 10k. Yeah, we're going to jump in and see what happens. So let's begin. I brought a bin bag in to start. There's washing that needs putting away. There's more washing that needs putting away. This is like just wires, books for my studying, envelopes. This is my desk that I don't sit at because I've got a chair. This is my altar. That's a dead orchid. There is just a lot. Loads of creepy dolls everywhere. Loads. Just more books, blankets, Ben's washing to put away, more washing. Yeah, it's an absolute state. So first things first, I'm going to get everything off the floor and then we're going to see where we are. So much dust. I'm having to just film. Oh shit, it's pulled my nose thing. Ugh. I'm going to just film this bit because I'm now just in a bra because it's boiling. Oh god. So everything is off the floor. We moved in here and the carpets were, this was a rented house for like 10 years before we moved in, so they're just manky carpets upstairs. There aren't any downstairs, but they're all gone. But all upstairs, they're just gross. So even if I hoover this, it's not going to look much better. But I'm not going to do it till I'm finished. So I've got clothes here to put away, but I need to declutter. So I'm going to start in this wardrobe because my thinking is if I declutter it, and I can put stuff in it. There's more clothes in here. I'm literally, this is probably going to be like, I don't know, a 3-part for one room, just because there is so much stuff. Have you ever seen a more depressing wardrobe? Just all black and grey and dark colours. So yeah. Oh my god, there's just, I probably don't wear half of this. I'm gonna get all the stuff out the bottom first and we'll see what we've got, and then I'm gonna, this is where like most of my trousers go, but there is also trousers in there. So oh god, I don't want to do this. Ben's taking the kids out now, so I haven't got an excuse. I need to just get on and do it. Yeah, this actually didn't have as many clothes in it as I thought. This is Bob's blanket. Bob is our dog who died last year, and it smells of him. And then this is my winter blanket for bed. So I think I'm going to put this in my bed, but just have it as a pillow to lay on, and then that's that out the way. This one will go back in here. These are dungarees. I love dungarees and jumpsuits. They're like my favourite. 1 pair of black jeans. 1, 2, 3 pairs of blue jeans that I need to try on and see what they're like. But I'm going to get the rest of my trousers out of these things just to sort of assess as to what I've got and how many I actually need, because I'm pretty sure I've got lots that I don't. Right, this is some bits we're getting rid of. There's a couple of pairs of shorts, and then I've done all my denim in here. So this is 3 pairs of blue denim shorts, no, 3 pairs of jeans, 3 pairs of denim shorts, and then 4 lots of dungarees and a pair of black ones, and then I put Bob Bob's blanket in there as well. This is just pyjamas and hangers. This is creepy dolls, and this one's empty. Nothing in there at the moment, but I've got now green flares. I've got a black pair somewhere, 4 pairs of like workout leggings, 2 pairs of black leggings and a pair of grey leggings, just 2 random pairs of comfy trousers, and then these are joggers. So these are going to go in that drawer there. Yes, and this is empty, so I'm going to put shoes in here, I think, possibly. Right, all the trousers and stuff are away. I'm now just going to go through and take out all the extra hangers. So I've got them here to hang stuff up. That was my stepdad's work uniform. And just, oh my god, there's just so much stuff in here that I don't wear. I'm going to take out what I don't wear for sure, and then put these ones back in, and we will see what kind of pile we're left with. There's more clothes here, and this is also an ottoman bed which lifts up, and there's more clothes inside there. Just ridiculous. Okay, I've got jumpsuits and like all-in-ones here, then dresses, and then like jumpers and a couple of hoodies, and just like more long sleeve tops and stuff, and then t-shirts are all over here. This is what we're getting rid of. This is stuff to hang in the coats cupboard, like big hoodies and cardigans and stuff. I'm going to get rid of most of the hangers because they're all broken, these ones are. And we're slowly getting somewhere. I can see my bed again. Let's go in. I sell dolls, just in case you didn't know as well. I sell creepy vintage dolls. If you were wondering why I had a drawer of them and like just body parts and stuff, that's because I sell them on my Etsy shop. So if you're in the market for creepy stuff, shameless plug. Yeah, I'm gonna go and hang the coats up, get rid of these washing baskets and the hangers, and then we'll see what is left on the bed. It's looking better. So this is broken, so it's going in the bin. My backpack, this is my like travel backpack, so that it can go on the door for now. That's Ben's book. I'll have to have a look in there. I don't know what's in there. Towel goes in the bathroom. I'll do that in a second. That's Ben's charger. That's got to go in the gloves thing. That's just an extra bin bag in case I got through one. That is one of the girls' first toys that they ever had. Ben has got this tattooed on his foot. I'm going to hang it there and see what he wants to do with it. This is clothes that I'm taking with us today for our day out. Laptop and stuff. I can't really do anything with that until I do my desk. So I think next I'm going to tackle this top bit. What do I do under the bed? Let me think. We're going to do up here first, just because I can see it. So I think once it's gone, it's going to make it better. I've got loads of crystals. I also sell crystals. If you want any crystals or anything, I've got shit loads. It's a spell. Inhalers. Got bloody selenite, palm stones, and tiger eye bracelets, and spheres, and all sorts of stuff. So all of the crystals are going to go back in here. They were only out for me to take photos of them, but they all go back in these drawers. So I'm going to get them away. I think all of these clothes are ones I'm getting rid of, but I will double check. That's made a massive difference. Most of the stuff up there is things I'm selling. So I do have a space in Ari's old bedroom in there, which is designated just for things that I'm getting rid of. So I will put any clothes that are good enough to sell in there, and the rest I'm going to bin, and that will clear this area. And then I just highlight these that we're selling this. These are the kids' books, we're obviously keeping them. Yeah, I I think I'm going to clear the bed and then I'm going to do underneath and see if I've got for storage.